A phone weighing 214.8 grams has an 8,200 mAh large battery. Can you handle that? This is the soon-to-be released phone, Vivo Y500. First, let me explain. The official weight of this phone is 213 grams. After applying a screen protector, the weight of my phone is 214.8 grams. Everyone, don't misunderstand. The battery capacity is very competitive, fast charging is maxed out, 90 watts, safe, long distance flash charging, the large battery charges quickly too. Waterproof and drop resistant are also standard features. After being tossed, washed and soaked in water, it can still be used normally. The King Kong Rock architecture is more drop resistant. The Vivo Y500 has passed very strict and rigorous military environment tests and has also received the SGS Gold Label 5-star certification for overall drop resistance. Dual speakers are also included, supporting full scene stereo sound, which is truly unmatched. Multifunctional NFC is also standard. The Dragon Crystal Purple color is beautiful and stylish. After we fully experience the performance, battery life, and photography, we will share it with everyone. Please stay tuned. The question is, how much will this phone sell for?